Alright, family, I'm telling you, the key, one of the biggest keys to make a lot of money is you gotta stay healthy, guys. Check this out. You can't enjoy your money if you're sick. All your money is gonna go to doctor bills. You don't want that. Look, guys, so I start my day off with some pineapple. Usually it's organic, but the rule of thumb is if you don't eat the skin of the fruit, if it's like the inner fruit, like not the skin, then you can pass for not organic. Usually I get everything organic though, but it was a fast buy at Walmart. They didn't have any more organic pineapple, so I just got this one, which is okay. So I got 2 cups of pineapple in there, and I have 1 entire bag of kale, which is like 120 calories of kale. This entire bag's in there. It's just that I smush it down with my fist really big, really tight. So yeah, guys, and that's gonna be my breakfast right there. Then I'll probably have more, like a bigger meal, which is probably gonna be another smoothie, but that'll be like a banana smoothie, so way more calories. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna blend this up, and that's how you start your day. Start your day off right, family. Start your day off right. Everybody watching this, I want you guys to be healthy. I want you guys to live long. Get those greens in. Get those good minerals and phytonutrients and all that good stuff. The chlorophyll, that's what's good for your blood right here. That dark leafy green puts oxygen in your blood. Make sure you get your greens in, guys. So yeah, that's how I start my day. Alright, family. Check this out, family. Check this out. This is life in a cup. Oh, look at it. Amazing. Oh. Oh, look at that. That is life in, oh my God. Oh my God, family. That is, look, family. Family, oh my goodness, cheers. This is life in a cup. This is life in a cup, family. Y'all gotta get with it. Oh my gosh, it's life in a cup. Guys, start your day off right. I have to put this in. I have to incorporate this, guys, because a lot of you guys are really unhealthy, man. A lot of you guys is out there making money and still eating at McDonald's. That's not how you do it, guys. So, yeah, incorporate this in your life. I'm super ripped always, you know, no matter what I eat, but the green smoothies helps. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go do a workout probably, and then hit some retail arbitrage because the Goodwill is right next to it. I haven't been in there in a while. I'm gonna go check it out, guys. I'm gonna see what's in there. Do I got green on my lip? No, I don't. But guys, start your day off right, family. Welcome to 2019. It's gonna be a crazy season. We're gonna be vlogging all the time, guys. I told you, and a lot of you guys want to know what I'm doing all the time. So this is the life of a reseller, guys. I mean, it's pretty awesome. This is like, let me sip this first. See you later, family.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side, we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks.
Okay, family, so I know it's been a while. Forgive me, okay, guys? Now, I've been having some good fun with my family and everything like that. Me and my daughter, especially, like, been kicking it hard. So I've been giving her a lot of time. She needs that time. She needs that time. That just no cameras, just me and daddy. She needs that. So, but anyways, guys, yeah, I've been doing some online arbitrage. I've been getting stuff mailed to the house and mailing it in the Amazon. So now I'm actually going out to hit some stores, guys. I think I'm going to hit Aldi's right now. Yeah, as a matter of fact, that's exactly where I'm going. I'm gonna go to Aldi's, and then, you know, you guys always know this, I'm gonna hit the Goodwill as well. So yeah, we sourcing today. We sourcing, you know, because every so often it's good to just do another run. When you go to your stores, you find some stuff. If you're going every day and you're finding stuff, and then all of a sudden it kind of slows down, you haven't found anything, well, you just chill on those stores. Either find new stores or do some online arbitrage for a little bit, and then circle them again in like a week or two. So it's been about a week or two for me. So I'm gonna circle these stores and see what I can find. May find some stuff, may not, but we're gonna do some sourcing. Family, Yes, let's go. You already know. Let's go. I don't got my seatbelt on. Don't crush me. Don't crush me. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on at the light. I'll see you guys at the store though. Peace. I'm almost at the store, but I just noticed like I passed so many good spots. Like on the way back, I might stop at some other stores. I seen a Burlington that I just never seen before. There's a Goodwill right here. Look, I'm passing a Goodwill right now that I have been in that Goodwill, but I forgot about it. I've been in there one time. Found some stuff. I think this is my shopping center right here. Is it? I think it is. Yeah, guys, like there's so many stores that I'm passing. That's ridiculous. So just keep in mind, when you're out, just keep your eyes open. Like Burlington, Goodwills, of all these, of course. There's a Walmart down there. And I haven't been at that Walmart in months. So I might even stop there just to see the clearance, see what's up. You guys, I mean, like it's endless money out here. No matter where you are, just stop at these stores, give it a little peek through. There's a pawn shop over here. Like, just so much money. All right, guys, but I'm about to pull into the store right now, so let's see if I can find anything. And then on the way home, I'm definitely gonna stop at a few of these other stores, probably Burlington, and Goodwill's on this side of the highway, so I probably won't stop at the Goodwill. I should have, but I'll probably wait till next time to do that. Maybe I might stop there. I might get froggy and go there. But we at the store, so I'm gonna see you guys in the store, family. Let's go. Let's find some. Let's go. You already know. Open up the universe to me. Let's get some money, baby. Let's get some money. I know I said we was about to do some retail arbitrage, but I can't lie to y'all. I'm starving. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I need to find something to eat first. So let me find something to eat. I'm in the shopping center right now. There's something over here. I might hit Marshall's. I didn't even know there was a Marshall's over there. I'm gonna find something in the shopping center to eat because I am starving. Starving. So find something to eat, and then we're gonna go in and we're gonna crush it. All right. Ooh, look at this store too. Like, what's this? Tuesday morning? I don't even know about this. Y'all probably know about this store. I don't even know about Tuesday morning. I'm gonna check it out, but let me get something to eat first, family. All right, family. So it's going good so far. Got a few books in here. Yeah. So got a couple things in here. This one, I wish I could have found more of this one. This one's gonna make me like 15 bucks profit or something like that. Yeah, so yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up though in here because I am starving. I didn't find anything to eat. I'm tired now. I'm starving. So I need to find something to eat and then hit the other stores down the street. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a second. Alright, there you have it, guys. There you have it, family. As always, I spent about 41 bucks to make around 141 bucks in profit. Around 100 bucks in profit, but 40 of it is what I spent, 41 to be exact. So yeah, guys. So family, there you have it, guys. Once again, I mean, like it's nothing. The first day I come back out for retail arbitrage, I hit a home run. Well, a small home run, a small, tiny. I could have more stores, right? But I'm gonna save that probably for another vlog because I don't want this video to be too long, guys. As you can see, I got a bunch of stuff here. Like I said, I don't even know if I said, but I spent around. Where's my receipt? Let's see. I spent. Let me see. $44. 44. Thought it was 41. I spent $44. And in profits, I'm looking at around 100 bucks in profits. So in total, around like 144, you know, because 100 plus the 44 I spent. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm looking around 100 bucks in profit. I only spent 44 bucks. That's over 100% ROI. It may be a little bit more, to be honest, but I'm just gonna round it to $100, yeah, in profit for today. And honestly, it's not even done yet. I'm gonna hit some other stores, but like I said, I don't want to make this vlog too long, so I'll probably save that for another time if I decide to hit those stores, because I'm starving. I didn't even get food, family. I didn't even get food. I eat really healthy, and there's nothing around here that I can eat. So unless there's a Chipotle around, or like a vegan restaurant or a vegetarian restaurant, I know, don't make fun of me. But yeah, I gotta go get something to eat, guys. I am absolutely starving. But until the next one, family, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you don't know, wait, if you're not a part of the fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap that bell to get notified when I upload, because you guys know I'm back on my daily vlogs. I'm gonna try to do my daily vlogs. Like I said, you guys gotta cut me slack right now. My daughter's birthday is actually next month, and we're planning this big party. I'm probably gonna bring the camera in there, so it's gonna be awesome, guys. And yeah, until next time, you already know. Peace and love. I'm out. Peace.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control.